Hey, what's up guys? 2004 Toyota Sienna. I'm doing the glove box handle replacement. This one broke off right here. I got a new one. I'm going to show you how to do it. Hopefully yours is open. If it's not open and shut, you can still open it by kind of massaging it off the little hook there. Here's mine. It's a Toyota one. Here's the part number. I will link to a new one in the description. I got this on Amazon. And you're going to have to switch the lock over to the new one. It's really not that big a deal though. The way I did it is I just took a flathead and these little plastic fingers on the sides. You just lift those up and then you're going to slide this out the front. Alright, and then when you put it in your new one, it kind of only goes in one way. So if you look at this new one here, this is the broken one. It's a black piece is still stuck to the glove box, and then your new one comes with it. For the lock, you just slide it in through the front and push it in. It should click. It'll only really want to go in one way, and if you want to double check that you got it in the right way, if you look in there, that's how it's supposed to look. And then put your key in here, and then make sure that your key can unlock it and lock it. If it's locked, the handle won't really move, and if it's unlocked, the handle should move freely. So hopefully it gets in there right, but that's how it's supposed to look. Alright, now the old black piece, we gotta get that out. There's two screws. If you have a short Phillips, that's the best thing. I was too lazy to go in my garage, so I just got this pocket flathead. Wouldn't recommend doing it this way. Get a short Phillips, get these two screws out, and then you can take this black piece off. Just like that. And then we'll get our new one in. So I just put it up to it, put the two screws in, and then tighten them down as tight as I can. And then we'll just do that. Check it out, it works, and that's how you do it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. I'm going to show you another. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just a couple products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO LED headlights. These are the best headlights in my opinion. They just recently upgraded all their technology, so their LED lights are even brighter than the others that are still using old tech. I've had many LED lights as far as like headlights, interior lights, whatever, brake lights, and these are the best. They don't flicker, they're not cheap, they don't like go out on you. All you gotta do is go to the AUXITO website, type in your vehicle information, then look up what kind of light you want. All their products will pop up, and these are available on Amazon as well. But if you go to the website and use GearmoAuto in the discount code spot, you will get 15% off. So if you're looking for new brighter upgrades, check these out. Hey, what's up guys? I want to tell you about Quantum Soap. It's a new men's soap company. They got many different bars of soap, each with their own ingredients and fragrance and texture. They even have grittier bars for like mechanics or whoever, like the dark matter bar, it's extra gritty. If you go to their website, it's free shipping over $50. Each bar is about $5. You also get a 10% discount code for your first order. They're coming out with many new soaps. It's definitely worth checking out. Of course, I have a discount code for you. It's GearmoAuto. If you type it in at checkout, you'll get 10% off. You could use it as many times as you want every time you order. These make great gifts to husbands, boyfriends, uncles, nephews. They even got the Galactic mechanic bar. It's super gritty for mechanics, so check that out. Type in the GearmoAuto promo code. That way they know you're one of the homies. And that's it, guys.